Jai Sriman
Rama's palace is looking like the mountain Meru. It is very tall and there are so many beautiful decorations captivating everyone's vision. Such beautiful palace is filled up with crores of people. Everybody, all the citizens holding gifts for Ramachandra Swami and wanted to give their gifts to Rama. When Rama comes out of the palace, into such palace, Sumantra is slowly entering. There Sumantra is seeing a beautiful, wonderful elephant which is known as Shatrunjayam. It is decorated very well. That elephant is feeling so happy to have carry Rama on his back towards Dasharatha Maharaja's palace. Such great joy Shatrunjaya is also feeling. To that extent, everyone is feeling for feeling great joy for Rama Pattabhishekam. Sumantra, after seeing that elephant Shatrunjayam slowly entering into this Rama's palace, avaryamanaha pravivesha saradhihi prabhutaratnam makaro yadharnavam. As and how an alligator, a crocodile enters into a huge ocean, so also Sumantra now entering into Rama's palace, which is filled up with crores of people. Sumantra is entering Rama Bhavanam. There are some security guards immediately got up and noticed Sumantra coming. Sumantra told them to convey the message that he came. So they all went inside and conveyed the message to Ramachandra Swami. At that time, Rama was in a palace with Sitamma. So Sitamma and Rama both were there. Rama had Sumantra come to that Ekanta, the very personal place, because Rama realized that Sumantra is very reliable person to his father Dasharatha Maharaju. With that respect, Rama had Sumantra come into that personal palace where Sitamma and Rama both were there. Sumantra came inside. By then, Sitamma already decorated Ramachandra Swami with all kind of decorations. Rama is sitting on a beautiful bedding and Sitamma is right next to Rama doing some service, fanning to Rama. Rama had so many wonderful fragrances, perfumes. With all those wonderful perfumes and wonderful fragrances, Rama is glowing like anything. Because Sitamma is there right next to Rama, Rama's glow is multiplied like anything. Just like sun, he is glowing, he is illuminating. To such Rama, Sumantra is having a beautiful darshanam of Rama and immediately Vavande Varadam Vandi. With so much of humbleness, Sumantra did namaskaram to Rama and saying that, "O Kausalya Supraja Rama, the most beloved son of Kausalya Devi, O Rama, how are you doing? Did you have good sleep?" Like that Sumantra asked Rama with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.